Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by performing pre-drive checks to ensure a safe Hyundai Accent departure. Check tire pressure and inflate to the manufacturer-recommended PSI, often between 30 and 35 PSI. Verify oil level and coolant visually, and confirm the spare and jack are present. Adjust the driver's seat so you sit about 10 inches from the steering wheel with slight knee bend, and set the steering tilt to a comfortable angle. Confirm mirrors are set. Rear view centered. Side mirrors show about 1 car width blind spot. Fasten your seatbelt and ensure all lights function before starting the engine. With checks complete, learn starting and the basic controls in the Hyundai Accent. Place foot on brake pedal and start the engine using the key or push button start. If the car has a manual gearbox, depress the clutch fully before turning the key. For an automatic, keep the brake applied and shift from park to drive. Adjust the HVAC and infotainment to minimize distraction. Use the right foot for accelerator and left for braking only in emergencies. Practice smooth throttle control and gentle braking to conserve fuel and improve passenger comfort. Focus on driving techniques that make daily trips safer and easier in a Hyundai Accent. Signal at least 100 feet before turns and maintain a safe following distance of at least 3 seconds, adjusting for weather. For right turns, reduce speed and keep the wheel at a slight left countersteer to avoid curb strikes at low speeds. Steer smoothly using hand over hand for tight turns. When parking, use the backup camera and mirror checks. Perform slow steering corrections, and if necessary, use about 3-5 inches of hand movement to fine-tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.